Hi, my name is Adam Booth. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I've been a member of the Zcode website since March of 2013, so a little over 5.5 years now. When I first joined, I was primarily betting NHL hockey. I was doing all right for myself, but I had no plan to make money in the off season. So I was just doing some research online, and I came across Zcode, who was promoting their MLB predictive software at that time. They had an extensive database. I'd never paid for picks before, so I was very tentative to get involved with what could be a scam. You know, it's not always easy to tell. But what I found at the website has been so much more than just a database, and the Zcode community has helped me shift my paradigm from amateur gambler to full-time sports investor. 2 years ago, I finished law school at the University of Nottingham in England, and instead of pursuing that route, I decided to take a shot at professional sports betting. I also was taught about the world of esports, and which is just a budding market, many things to discuss there. But that represents a huge portion of my annual income now. And none of these things would have been possible if I hadn't sort of thrown myself in headfirst at the Zcode website. So I really encourage anyone who's looking to take their sports betting to the next level and not just gamble away on a Sunday football card, that they look at Zcode and become part of the community, and you really can take your sports betting to the next level. Thanks so much.